Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Can you notice any changes in me? Yes guys, I got a haircut finally after 3 years. Last haircut करवाया था salon से, कोविड की मतलब लॉकडाउन से पहले मैंने करवाया था एंड उसके बाद लॉकडाउन हो गया एंड उसके बाद से आई एम ट्रिमिंग माई ओन हेयर एट होम. वीडियो में आप लोगों ने कई बार देखा होगा मुझे अपनी हेयर कट करते हुए, बट दिस टाइम आई वाज लाइक नो, आई हैव टू गेट अ हेयर कट. एनीवे, डू लेट मी नो कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं. लाइफ में पहली बार मुझे हेयर कट करवाने के बाद इतनी सेटिस्फेक्शन हुई गाइस. ऑलवेज वो लोग ज्यादा कट कर देते थे, बट दिस टाइम आई लव माई हेयर, आई लव हाउ इट लुक्स, आई लव द लेंथ, आई लव द स्टाइलिंग, आई लव एवरीथिंग अबाउट माई हेयर राइट नाउ. लिटरली ऑब्सेस्ड विद माई हेयर. एनीवे, सो समर ऑलमोस्ट आ चुकी है आई वुड से. सो या आई थॉट कि लेट्स जस्ट शो यू गाइस द थिंग्स आई हैव गॉट रिसेंटली फ्रॉम Amazon एज माई समर वेयर. एज यू नो, मैं ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव चीजें खरीदना पसंद नहीं करती हूँ, स्पेशली इन क्लोथिंग. आई ऑलवेज गो फॉर अफोर्डेबल ऑप्शन. सो एवरीथिंग आई विल बी शोइंग you guys are very affordable. I think all of them are under 500. So without further wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. Okay, let's start with what I'm wearing. So it's this very cute floral printed crop top. Front में it has buttons as you can see, but I would like to say something about these buttons. So ये बटन का स्टिचिंग ना थोड़ा सा वीक है. पैकेजिंग ओपन करने के बाद मैंने जस्ट इस टॉप को बाहर निकाली थी एंड दो बटन ऐसे ही मतलब गिर गया था, बट उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा सा ऐसे स्टिचिंग कर लिया एंड इट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन नाउ. ऑल्सो इट इज अ लिटिल बिट लूज from this area, but it's fine. I'll just have to alter it a bit and yeah, it will be good to go. I got this in the size small. इसका extra small available नहीं है, तो extra small available होता तो अगर वो खरीदी तो I guess alter करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. It has feathered neckline as you can see and strappy sleeves. The straps are not adjustable by the way, if you're wondering. The material of this top is rayon and it's not stretchable obviously, but it is very comfortable. बहुत ही spring and summery vibes आ रही है मुझे इस top से. It's so colorful, so airy and super cute. So overall I love this top. The price of this top is only 450 rupees and it's from this brand called EIKO. I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, moving on to the next top, which is again a very cute tank top. Again, it's a floral printed top and it has tie-up shoulder. The neckline of this top is a little deep as you can see and it has this corset kind of thing in the front. Not exactly corset I would say, but corset के नीचे जो ऐसे डिजाइन होती है ना, बिल्कुल वैसी है इसकी. It's from the brand called Ahvan, which is a very famous brand on Amazon. This top is also available in red, yellow and dark blue color. So the material of this top is probably polyester. It is very stretchable and it is very comfortable. Normally cheap type की जो polyester material होती है ना, बिल्कुल वैसी नहीं है. हाँ, it won't look that much expensive top either. बहुत ही प्यारी cute सी floral printed top है. I love this top's design so much. It fits me perfectly and बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute लग रही है मुझे ये top, especially because of this corset kind of design which is going on in the front. I got this in the size extra small and the price of this top is 499 rupees. इस brand की ना और भी बहुत सारी cute tops आपको मिल जाएगी Amazon पे. It is so comfortable to wear and so summery. जितनी भी टॉप्स मैं इस वीडियो में दिखाने वाली हूँ ना आज आपको, ईच एंड एवरी टॉप से ना ऐसी समरी एंड स्प्रिंग वाइब्स आती है. द नेक्स्ट टॉप आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इज दिस टॉप राइट हियर. इट हैज स्पेगेटी स्ट्रैप्स व्हिच आर वेरी समरी अगेन एंड इट्स फ्लोरल प्रिंटेड. द मटेरियल ऑफ दिस टॉप इज पॉलिएस्टर, बट इसमें ना आपको ज्यादा गर्मी नहीं लगेगी बिकॉज जस्ट लुक एट द टॉप. इट्स सो एयरी एंड सो कंफर्टेबल. इट हैज लाइनिंग अंडरनीथ, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड ऑल. एंड इट इज नॉट अ क्रॉप टॉप. इफ यू वांट टू वेयर इट एज इट इज, then you can go for it, but if you want to wear it as a crop top, then you just have to tuck it in your jeans or trouser or whatever you are wearing. I got this in the size small and इसका और एक color option भी आपको मिल जाएगी which is currently out of stock, which is this navy blue color. Anyway, this top is super soft, like can you see? So yeah, you won't feel uncomfortable in this top. It is very summer appropriate. The next top I want to talk about is this top right here. ये front से तो ऐसे normal सा top ही लग रहा होगा आपको, इतना interesting कुछ नहीं है, but let me show you the back side of the top. So this is what the back side looks like. Isn't it looking super cute? I got this top just because of its back side. Literally guys, I swear मुझे इसका back side इतना cute लगा ना, I just couldn't resist myself to get this top for myself. Anyway, वैसे overall top भी इतना कुछ बुरा नहीं है. It looks super cute. So it is a crop top basically and sleeves में and नीचे ऐसे ruffle detailing है which looks so cute and it is also basically backless. पीछे आपको ये tie up करना होगा. So yeah, it has V neckline but neckline ज़्यादा deep नहीं है. The material is probably polyester. I'm not sure about the material. Let me check the material here. Yes, it is polyester but again थोड़ा सा ऐसे cheap kind of polyester नहीं लगता है. ये थोड़ा सा अच्छा polyester material है इसकी and it is also again stretchable and इसमें ना ऐसे छोटे flower detailing है. I don't know if you can see this or not. नीचे इसकी lining है front पे, तो you don't have to worry about the see-throughness. And this one's material is also a little bit thicker than the previous top. The price of this top is 454 rupees and it is also available in pastel green color and pastel peach color. I got this in the size extra small and it fits me perfectly. So I would totally 100% recommend you guys this product to check it out. Okay, cute top so abhi bahut ho gayi hai. Now comes the solid one. So the first top I want to talk about is this very pretty lilac colored top. So it has this cutout thing going on one shoulder and that makes this top little bit unique. It is again from this brand Ahvaan and this top is available in so many other color options like black, maroon, green, olive green, brown, beige, orange, white and so much more. I also had this top in orange color. मैंने last year एक summer haul video में शायद वो top दिखाई थी. And solid tops are so versatile. You can style them in so many different ways with literally anything. आप इसको skirt के साथ पहन सकते हो, आप इसको jeans के साथ पहन सकते हो, trouser के साथ पहन सकते हो, like literally anything. It's a reeved top so it is very stretchable. I got this in the size small instead of extra small because reeved tops usually बहुत body hugging होती है and extra small fits me perfectly. तो extra small पहनने से ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा tight fit लगता है. I go for a size up. The price is only 299 rupees. This top is by the way the cheapest top from this entire haul. Next up I have another reeved crop top. So इसमें ऐसे कोई cutout design नहीं है. It's literally a plain solid maroon colored top. That's it. It's from this brand Ahvaan again and I again got this in the size small. It fits me perfectly. I love everything about this top. It looks super cute on me and again इसकी price है 299. So ये दोनों टॉप ही cheapest टॉप है entire haul में. It is again available in so many other color options like black, brown, blue, beige, orange, lilac, white, red. So basically same colors में ये भी available है. And yeah guys, that's all about this video. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my Bengali channel and that's Shiny. I will link it down below in the description box. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there to get more of me. Comment down below if you have any video request or if you want to ask me anything or which top you like the most or which top you want to buy. I just love reading your comments guys, so please do comment down below. Share this video with your friends and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.